IKE Plus provides an easy method to configure the built-in setup sheets included with all IKE posts. From the IKE Plus setup sheet window, you can select your own logo file to appear at the start of the setup sheet. You can add up to 10 header fields, including information from Mastercam and your own custom information. You can select the columns that you want to include in the tool and operations lists, including tool images and cycle time. Make sure to save your changes before running the setup sheet. The setup sheet can be run directly from this window or when posting your file.